Hello everyone, I'm going to give you a quick walkthrough of this tool that we provided you for generating ideal personas. So this is how the link will look when you open it up. When you first open it up, it will probably load for a few seconds, but that should be 5-10 seconds. Just wait for this to go away and then you can use this tool. So using this tool, you can target your target audience or persona better. So how do you do that? Is that in this we have given you some options to choose who you are targeting, who do you want to see a persona for. So, for example, if my tool targets companies in the AI and MLOps industry, in this we have given you three options for company size. You can choose that, and also the department. Who do you want to know about in this kind of company? So, for example, if I want to know about engineering folks, so after you click this tool, a pop-up will show up, and in this, using this tool, you can basically these are examples that what you can do with this tool. So on the left, there's some generic things that okay, like if you did not have access to this tool, you would probably write this, but using this tool, you can probably write something like this, which is more targeted to them and has more keywords, has more specific things that they do that you know that they do that you can include in this. So that's the point of the tool. There's three examples for each and every persona that we've given you, and you can take a look at them. You can use those examples also if you want. But yeah, they're examples. So below that, we have the role information. Role information means that in this role that you've selected, what are the roles that we have come up with. So, for example, in this AI and ML ops, when this kind of company in engineering, you'll probably have these roles working on the engineering side, and who do they report to, and what is the team of people they work with on a daily basis. Below that, we have the demographics. So in the demographics, we have analyzed a lot of profiles to come up with this. So in the engineering teams, it's mostly males in this age group and with this years of experience and also the salary range. So you can take a look at this and try and understand your target audience better. Below that, we have a detailed description. What are they refers to basically if they're a user, a decision maker, or an influencer to the decision of buying the product. So for engineering teams, for a normal engineer, they're usually going to be the user of a product. And how do they contribute is basically how do they contribute to the team, and how do they contribute to the decision also of buying or not buying the product. Below that, we have the praises and topics. So over here, you'll see what do they talk about on their LinkedIn or other platforms that they really talk about these things. So you can use these to kind of target them better. And below that is the metrics that they have shown to care about. So in the metrics, these are the things that they've really talked about. So you can really trust it that okay, this is going to be something that if we include in our product, if we can, then they'll probably care about it. And a day in the life is also included below that, so you can look through it. You can understand what they do on a daily basis and just try and understand their real needs and their real problems in the day, in the normal days. You can feel free to play around with this as much as you want. Select as many things that you want and just go through different personas. And if you still have any doubts after this, please feel free to contact us at speargrowth.com. We would be very happy to answer the questions. Thank you so much.